Is it time for new roofing? Are you ready to upgrade your siding, gutters, or windows? Could your home's chimney benefit from repairs? It sounds like it's time to call JG Home Improvement, a Rockland County general contractor specializing in exterior enhancement services. We're dedicated to working closely with our customers in the Central Valley, New York area to ensure an exceptional outcome, no matter what their needs entail. If it's roofing you're after, we offer shingle, metal, and flat roofing installation, replacement, and repair. And our new vinyl window installation, seamless gutter replacement, and siding installation services will ensure your home looks and performs excellent too. If your chimney is in need of restoration or straightening, we can help with that as well. No job is too big or too small for our New York home improvement specialists. At JG Home Improvement, our goal is complete customer satisfaction. We encourage you to give our licensed and insured experts a call to schedule an on-site consultation or to request a free estimate for any of the services provided by our Rockland County Roofing and Exterior Improvement Company. We look forward to helping you transform your house into the home of your dreams.